Hey, I'm Ross, product manager at Checked, and just wanted to give you a quick update on some of the new features we've released in Creds in the last couple of weeks. So first up, let's take a look at our new feature, user profiles. We thought it would be important for users to be able to build their reputation around a personal profile that they can manage. Essentially, you can think of this like a profile you have on any other social media website. So if you navigate to the profile tab, you can see a profile, which you can edit and manage yourself. If you hit edit profile, you can update your display name, you can manage your username, and you can provide a short bio as you would on any other social media platform. You can also set a profile picture, whether that's yourself or an anonymous one, and a cover photo, essentially to provide some color on your personality. Once you scroll down, you can then see all your credentials you currently have in your Creds identity wallet. And if you look here, you can choose to make one of these public at any time. So if I wanted to share my Telegram profile, my email profile, a credential that proves that I've completed some learning journey, for example, decentralized identity, I'm a team member of Checked, and I've also attended a number of different events and earned a few different achievements, which I want to proudly display to other people. Once that's done, I can then see what credentials are in my public profile, my Telegram, my email, and the credentials that you've just seen I've set to public. We can then switch over to your public profile, which you can copy and share with anyone you want to. So let's jump over to that now. So now we're on my public profile, which anyone can view at any time. You can see here the communities that I'm part of, and this is based on which credentials I've been issued in terms of which creators have issued me these credentials. You can also see my link there, and I can copy that and share anytime. And then you can see a selection of my credentials. You cannot obviously choose to make these private because this is on your public profile. So this is what anyone can view, but they can see these credentials have been verified and find out any information you want about them. Over time, as you build up your profile, this becomes somewhat of your CV. And you can imagine whether you're in Web3 or beyond, being able to show that you've got verified, trusted, proven credentials for your reputation can become a really valuable way to build your brand, build your reputation, and engage in potential opportunities going forward. If yourself or anyone you know would be interested in building and issuing credentials to their community to reward, nurture, and engage the best people, please reach out to us at any point, and you can also join our free trial now at studio.creds.xyz.